Hello viewers, welcome back to Global Cuisine. Today I'm going to prepare a chicken hariyali tikka masala. Chicken hariyali tikka masala. It's a chicken, 1 kilo of chicken that I already marinated with some spices and that will be cooked with Indian master gravy with some herbal flavor. And it is a natural type of cooking and I hope you will like it. So let's see the ingredients that we need to prepare this beautiful dish. I have 1 kilo of chicken that is already marinated with a herbal marination. The herbal marination is very simple, very easy to prepare. What you need to do, you need to take for 1 kilo chicken 250 gram of coriander and 250 gram of mint leaves. Grind it very well. You add 100 gram of yogurt with that and marinate it with the chicken with a little bit of salt. I use only half. The remaining half I keep it to cook the sauce. So the remaining ingredients, let me introduce the spices. I have 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon little bit less turmeric powder and chili powder 1 tablespoon. 500 gram of Indian master gravy that I already posted in my channel how to make a master gravy. Coriander greens chopped, 1 medium size onion chopped, 75 ml of cooking oil, cream 100 ml, 1 medium size ginger chopped, few cloves of garlic chopped, few red whole chili and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 stem of curry leaves and 5 to 6 pieces of green chili slitted and thus 1 cup of coriander and mint sauce that already prepared to marinate the chicken. Now what we will do, we will here the cup. Now what I will do, I will grill the chicken in the charcoal. So I have a skewer. To have better result, always marinate and keep the chicken for minimum 2 hours in the refrigerator. I am using whole chicken. It's up to you. If you have no option of charcoal grill, you can still grill it in a oven or you can pan fry in a frying pan. Not all the people having option of charcoal grill, no problem if you don't have it, but still you can make it by one of this method. I have the charcoal ready. Now I will just grill it on the charcoal. What is the best thing, the smoky flavor will give a special taste in this dish. And when it cooked with herbal flavored Indian gravy, that will be a wonderful thing. You will definitely like it. And these recipes are very easy to prepare at your home. If you don't have oven, but still you can marinate like this, you can pan fry it with a little bit of oil or you can bake it inside the oven. You can cook inside the oven, but do not overcook it. Just color it and cook with the sauce. So the taste, the smoky flavor will go inside the sauce and that will give a wonderful taste when you eat with bread or white rice. Now the chicken is getting ready. By the time we will prepare the sauce. So let's start. I have a pan on the fire. I will add the oil. The first thing that will fry the mustards. And gradually once the mustard got broken, we'll add the red chili to it. Red chili is an option. If you want, you can have it. I always loves the flavor of tempered red chili. Chili powder you can replace it with degi mirch, so it will have less spice. Now we will add the garlic. Gradually add some of the ginger, not all, because some we will use it for the garnish. Now the garlics are already changing the color. We'll add the onion, green chili, Cook it slowly. In Indian cooking is totally different than Western cooking. In Western cooking, you doesn't need to fry the onion until they change the color. But in Indian cooking, definitely you need to fry the onion, ginger, garlic properly to avoid the raw flavor. In Western cooking, they only sweat onion and garlic. Now, I will add the spices, lightly fry it to avoid the raw taste because this is rawly fried powdered spices. Just slightly saute. Chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and turmeric powder. We'll add the sauce, the mint and coriander. Just slightly cook it. Now the chicken is almost getting ready, and slightly cook it. We'll add the mustard gravy. The mustard gravy already, the recipe with the video already posted in my channel, so it is easy to make it. It's a separate video. The best thing, once you have gravy ready, you can prepare this type of dishes easily at your home. If you don't have the gravy ready, you have to make the entire process of the gravy preparation when you wanted to prepare this type of dish. So I always recommend you, if you have free time, prepare 2 kilo, 3 kilo gravy and keep it inside the refrigerator or freezer. Even though if you keep inside the refrigerator, it will survive 1 week. We cook it slowly. And there is one more thing that I will add with this. It's a dry kasuri methi. I leave it on a hot surface to get crunchy so I can powder it very easily. While preparing the things, I didn't have it ready. So now it is getting ready. Now the gravy is a little bit thick. We will cook it a little bit dry. Then we will add a little bit of water. The chicken is getting ready. You see, it's not too much spiced, just to have a herbal smoky flavor. That's the reason I marinate it and I grill it on the charcoal. So the smoky flavor will give good taste in the sauce. Now the kasuri methi is ready. I just crush it. Once you keep it in a heat surface, it will be crispy, so you can crush it with your hand very easy. Actually, this is a dry fenugreek leaves. They call it kasuri methi in Indian cuisine. It's also a good strong herb. Wow, it smells very good. The sauce is dry. I will add around 2 cups of water. If you add a little bit more, no problem. You can cook it and reduce it. But the only thing, you need to see the right consistency of the sauce once it is ready. It's not too thick. It's a gravy type dish, so you can have it with bread or steamed rice. Once you have these things ready, it won't take more than 10 minutes to prepare a dish. Now, you see, this chicken is not fully cooked. I just color it to have a smoky flavor. Now, the rest we will cook it inside the sauce, so the sauce will have a good taste. You need to cook minimum 10 minutes more to have this one fully cooked. By the time I will add little bit of curry leaves. I like the flavor of curry leaves because I am from south. And I will not disappoint the north. I will add coriander leaves too. We will add little bit of salt. I already put the salt with the chicken, so it needs a little bit more, so I am adding. Salt is according to your taste. But once you cook Indian food, make sure that you don't think that the salt is on the table, they can add it. No, you need to have salt in your food, in your curry dishes. We will add the kasuri methi, 1 chamach. We'll add the cooking cream, almost just cook it. After cooking 10 minutes, we add the cooking cream and the kasturi methi. The last thing that we add the coriander leaves. It is almost ready. The consistency is very good. This will go very well with rice and bread. We'll add the chopped coriander from the top. Now you see the consistency of the sauce and the color. It's not too green, not too yellow, not too brown. The sauce is not too thick, not too thin. This is the right consistency to have a bread or a rice. Now we will sprinkle a little bit of julienne ginger on the top to serve. This is ready. Enjoy. I hope you love this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Hope to see you with beautiful videos in future. Thank you very much, and thank you for your precious time.